Understanding, Stop Bothering Me, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a common English phrase, stop bothering me. This expression can be quite useful in everyday conversations, but it's also important to understand its nuances to use it appropriately. Let's explore its meaning, usage, and some polite alternatives to ensure you can communicate effectively and respectfully in English. Stop bothering me is a phrase used when someone wants another person to cease their actions or behavior that is annoying or causing distress. The key word here is bother, which means to annoy, disturb, or make someone feel uncomfortable. This phrase is often used in situations where the speaker feels irritated or distracted by the actions of the other person. However, it's important to note that this phrase can be considered blunt or rude if used inappropriately. The tone and context in which you say it can significantly affect how it's received. You might use "stop bothering me" in casual or informal settings among friends or family, especially if you have a close relationship where direct language is common. However, in a formal context or with someone you're not very familiar with, it's better to opt for more polite alternatives. When using this phrase, your tone of voice plays a crucial role. A gentle tone can soften the message, while a harsh tone can make it sound more aggressive. It's always good to consider the situation and your relationship with the other person before using this phrase. If you find yourself in a situation where you need to ask someone to stop annoying you but want to keep the tone friendly and respectful, here are some alternatives. Could you please give me some space? I would appreciate it if we could talk about this later. I'm a bit busy right now. Can we discuss this later? These alternatives are less direct and carry a softer tone, making them suitable for a wider range of situations, including formal settings or when speaking with acquaintances. Understanding the phrase, "stop bothering me," and knowing when and how to use it can greatly enhance your communication skills in English. Remember, the key is to always consider the context and your relationship with the other person. We hope this video has been helpful in clarifying this common English expression. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.